guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be making a neon Bali starling bird. One, oh, number two. Oh wait, number two. Come on. Okay, number two. Number three. This is it, guys. I made two neons today. Number 4. Wow. It's so beautiful. Now let's see what they offer. What they offer for this. Let's go to gifts. I'm very so happy. Like, okay, let's go. Trading neon. Bali starling. Oh, someone already traded me. I wonder what they trade me. Can you offer? I'm sorry, I cannot offer because I'm not offering right now. I'm trading. I'm sorry. Let's see. Okay, so far so good. Trading me. Oh, that girl from earlier. Again, neon mouse. A Japan egg. I don't know what's this. White pony? I don't know. Ooh, right, Arctic. I don't know though. Okay. 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 Oh wait, this is 4 bears. Yeah, but I'm very sorry. Let's feed it some water. Water.
Don't do anything to this chicken.
Where's the water?
Please don't do anything to this chicken.
This is a nice... Oh, trading mouse for 3 beds. How? How? Oh, this girl likes blue. I traded away the bluebird. I love dogs too. I love my dog, Kim231. See what you offer. Hi. Hello. There you go. Do you have any mega? No. No, I don't have. I trade them away. I mean, why not? Or neons? Or legendaries? Or neon. I have 3 neons. Let's put them all. Let's see if she will offer. Or, yeah. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, guys. That's it for today. See you guys in the next video.